Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how you can find and delete all viruses on your iPhone. So iPhone usually doesn't have any viruses in it, but if you're still scared about it and you want to make sure that your iPhone doesn't have any viruses or something like that, it's very simple. You just need to go to your settings and just simply scroll down until you see the option of apps. Go ahead and press on that. And right over here, you just need to press and search up Safari. And over here, you just gotta scroll down until you see the option for advanced. Go and press on that. And over here, you'll see the option of website data. Press on it. And over here, you'll see this website data. What you can do is just simply press on remove websites data. What this will do, it will remove all the website's data and your whatever it is. So if there is any kind of virus, it will delete it. Now, what you can do is just go to your apps, and inside your app library, just type in files, and inside file, just find a file that you know if it's something like suspicious. What you can do, just simply tap and hold it like this and just simply delete it like this. And if you see any suspicious file, just delete it. So once this is done, what you just go to your settings, and just right over here, just make sure that you have your phone up to date. Okay, and iPhone pretty much doesn't allow any viruses inside its phone or whatever device you're using, so you're good. Just simply update your device to the newest software update. So if you haven't, just simply update it and you're good to go. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see